How to fix goals is crashing on Steam. First, you want to go to the library, right click on the game and open up the properties. In the general tab, you want to add -dx11 to the launch options, and then go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files. And once this is done, you can close Steam. Next, you want to open up a new browser tab and search for Redist like this. Click on the first link, and then from the second table here, you will need to download and install the 86 and the 64, both of these installers. And once you finish the installation, it will ask you to restart your computer. And right after the restart, you want to also check if you have the latest driver updates for your graphic card. So for NVIDIA, you can use the NVIDIA app, and for AMD, you can use the AMD software. Go to drivers and check for the latest updates from here and make sure to download and install them. Now, once you have the latest updates, you want to open up Steam, right click and run it as admin, and then launch the game from your library. This should solve the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.